my name is Sarah Madian Putri Trisdiher, NIM 2021-11080. I'm from class 2B Management. I will read Retail Journal. Abstract. This paper empirically and critically investigates the issues of creative accounting in financial reporting. It not only analyzes the ethical responsibility of creative accounting, but also focuses on other factors that affect financial reporting, such as the role of auditors, the role of government regulation or international standards, the impact of manipulative behavior, and the impact of individual ethical values. Creative accounting plays an important role in financial reporting, but has a negative correlation, which means more managers are involved in it can decrease the value of financial information. Introduction. The objective of ethics in financial reporting, which anticipates accounting standards, is to redefine the company about the need to remain in ethics, which can help to gain the trust of users for the company's service. The idea of corporate governance emerged after a major setback received for unethical behavior in accounts. So, corporate governance prevents accounting manipulation, whereas the negative prospect of creative accounting is to attract investors and to gain the trust of stakeholders. Companies do not but a few practices suspicious or unethical in their financial statements. The ethical decisions of auditors are basically shaped by rules, policy, and judgment of an organization. It is difficult for people to distinguish between earnings management and fraud. For external auditors, it is necessary to be able to distinguish minor highlight difference between the two. External auditors can do the work to find out if it was fraud or a financial error that resulted in a loss. And in order to stop future scams, he had to be able to figure out the catter's methodology. Literature review. Much has been written about creative accounting. Anglo-Saxons were the first to write about creative accounting in their literature on accounting practice and profits guidelines on positive creative accounting. In the same way, Shah et al. concludes that creative accounting is a weapon used in a company's critical situation. They think that most of the setbacks are due to unethical creative accounting behavior, e.g., Enron and WorldCom, etc., asks Aviv and Ethan explain in depth about macro manipulation. Macro manipulation thus encourages the rise of investors causing losses. They suggest that companies should fill in the gaps of regulatory and management decisions. They should be based on actual financial statements. According to research conducted by Meg et al., there is a direct relationship between CEO and stock option compensation and accrual handling, given the condition of CEO's large control over stock option compensations. For the sake of management rewards, a good company's financial performance is needed. The higher the profit, the higher the reward from the manager. Methodology. This study used a quantitative research design. Primary and secondary data have been used. Primary data was collected through a structured questionnaire, while secondary data was collected from various published sources. The questionnaire was adopted from research of Lin and Yang. Data were collected from the industrial sector through a questionnaire. Multiple regression and correlation analyses were conducted to determine the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable. Descriptive studies are used to determine the percentage and frequency of respondents. Literature permits developing the hypothesis as under 1. Awareness of creative accounting techniques has a significant impact on financial reporting. 2. Government regulation of standards have a positive impact on financial reporting. 3. Auditors' comments have a significant impact on financial reporting. 4. Ethical values have a positive impact on financial reporting. 5. Manipulative behavior has negative impact on financial reporting. Result and discussion. Descriptive studies were used to find out the frequency and percentage of response against various questions. 62.6% of respondents found their trust on financial information, whereas 15.1% show not trust on financial reporting information, whereas 22.5% were unsure about is 77.6% of respondents agreed that financial report is a key element of any company, whereas 12.5% disagreed to it, whereas 10% remain neutral. Investment and 17.5% response side because of the materialism of statement making art. While respondents were asked about is easy of using creative accounting techniques for manipulation, 31.3% respondents shows natural toward putting creative accounting techniques in financial reporting. 32.5% declared it hard to use, whereas 36.3% said it to be easy to use in financial reporting. Similarly, respondents were neutral toward detection of creative accounting techniques in financial reporting. Conclusion: a person can eliminate the creative accounting practice but can reduce the use of it. First, as proposed in the model, this paper shows both sides of the picture of creative accounting practice. Unethical behavior is the cause of the lack of moral values that individuals and professionals might have, and one of them is the injustice that forces you to engage in fraud. When the manager is not getting the rewards he deserves, he is negatively using creative accounting techniques only for his own benefit. This all happens when the wrong positions, which means a lack of knowledge and lack of awareness of creative accounting techniques. Secondly, if we talk about results, some highlight results are in front of you. Creative accounting is neither illegal nor legal. Only its maximum use is propelling companies into scandal. Creative accounting plays an important role in financial reporting, but has a negative correlation, which means more managers are involved. It can decrease the value of financial information. More ethical values means less manipulative behavior.
I begin to